Alright, back at it. Today I'm gonna explain what I changed with this whole tentacle system and what I mostly worked on about it and why it's better now. Mostly is that it stops breaking. Beforehand, just really simply, the string would like derail the spinny part connected to the servo, the pulley, and then it would derail, and then with this being the strings to it, it wouldn't be in like the proper orientation for it to be in the right position. So say it like derailed, and that would like give it extra string, and then with that extra string, when the servo would like pull in more string, it would be at a different position. So it should be like here, but because it has more string, it's like it's just gonna stay here. I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna pull up the CAD and show you the internals of what I switched up in here.
Here is the older CAD of the internals. Here, behind this, the wires would come out this way, bang, 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 and so it's actually wired up. But here is the internals gear ratio for the pulleys to actually pull the proper amount of string with the tentacles. But inside here, I just had these like walls to hold these pulleys in place. I know it seems off, so that's just because in like real life, it just like would add up differently. So see, like realistically, these are like actually colliding with each other. Same thing with the holes. It's just with how the cat is. But the pulley to the hole with the string is really there's a lot of open space in between this and the pulley. And with the pulley, there's nothing like covering it from the string to like just derail off. It could just like instantly slide off and just cause whatever problem. So that's obviously really bad. And in the second version, I fixed this switch with a bunch of covers everywhere. These walls, I also add a bunch more of which boom, we are in the better version. Ignore these giant robotic arm. It's for a different project I'm working on. But it's basically the same gripper. This is just to translate it to actually hold on to the robotic arm. But in here, it's a lot better. One, we have these covers on each pulley protecting it. Two, the main part here has better walls covering the pulley. Wait, I should call this one. Right. So if we hide that, right, we have better walls protecting the pulley. And then beyond that, we have this little short part, which basically covers all three holes and just adds a bit more wall width to the pulley. It gives it basically we're just letting there be like as little string popping out as possible, only allowing this like tiny sliver here. And even that can't really cause anything. And I haven't had any problems with the string falling out with this design. So no, it's very good. I'm very proud of it.
But that's basically it with the gripper. I just made it internally cover a lot more of the pulley. With more coverage, it just prevents the pulley's string from derailing, making it a lot better. And that's kind of how I fixed that problem. That's more or less what I fixed with the gripper. I just printed it out of different colors. Next, I'm gonna cover how I'm actually attaching this to the side of my arm. So thank you, bye bye.